Welcome to EyeMate, your companion for maintaining eye health during screen time. It detects and tracks your blinking to reduce eye strain. On the main screen, you can track the number of blinks and alerts EyeMate has recorded. This gives you an insight into your blinking patterns while using your device. Simply tap to turn on blink detection. The app then monitors your blinking in real time, keeping you mindful of your eye health while using your device. EyeMate lets you add up to 3 custom voice recordings for alerts, ideal for parents to remind kids to blink and develop healthy eye habits during screen time. Adjust the alert frequency by setting the blink alert time. This lets you control how often EyeMate reminds you to blink. Customize the type of alert you receive. You can choose between sound only, display only, or both, depending on your preference. Once you've customized your settings, hit save. EyeMate will now take care of reminding you to blink, helping to protect your eyes and reduce strain.